Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm cleaning my glasses off because I'm about to venture out over to my mom's house to do her hair. And I need my glasses to see Jack. Okay. My vision is not as quite as perfect as it used to be. So I wear glasses when I'm driving. Plus it's raining and stuff like that. Anyway, guys, so I wanted to share with you a little snippet of my little garden that I am trying to create because I don't have a backyard or a whole bunch of land, right? So I decided to try some raised beds to see, you know, how I fare with them. So I went to the Home Depot, also went to the Lowe's, and I picked up the raised bed dirt and also a little raised bed garden thing. It was like $29. The street has a lot of holes in it. And I picked that up and I started in there some peppers, some red peppers, some green peppers, and some yellow peppers. I picked up some strawberries, and in the midst of me picking up strawberries, I put them in pots. It's what I did. I put the strawberries in pots because they can be grown in pots. And I picked up cabbage. Oh, I went to a nursery, and that's where I bought my cabbage. And I planted the cabbage also in like a raised, it was actually not a raised bed. They were long pots that I got from Home Depot. And they were like $10 a piece, but they were kind of like deep. So I said, well, let me try these and see how they work out. So we're going to see what we get out of these raised beds that I put together. All right, guys, so, you know, it's life with baby doll. I'm always doing something to keep myself busy. And I like to be creative, you know what I'm saying? And I like to share because maybe somebody don't know or realize that they can still plant vegetables even when they don't have a backyard or, you know, just this large area of ground. So try it. I mean, you might like it. And look at this jackrabbit that is parked in the wrong spot. I got to go all the way around him. Don't take off as soon as you see me coming, you idiot. Excuse me, guys. Anyway, so getting back to what I was saying. So you still can grow vegetables and like organic stuff in raised beds, you know, right in your home. If you have a deck, if you have like a little front area, you can even do some of this stuff in your home if you want. You know what I'm saying? And it'll work out for you. But that's all I have for you right now, guys. So let's get over so that you can see these little raised beds that I put together, and you tell me what you think. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down in the comment box and let me know what you think. Alright guys, I have got to go because I need to really focus on the road. Alright, bye guys. To show y'all my little raised beds. I have peppers and collard greens. Over here is my tomato plant. I have still some greens I need to plant, and I'm starting my kale off here, catching me some rainwater. Over here it's just a plant. I'm on my deck, and my little blueberry tree that's starting off, and you can see those are daffodils, or no, they're not called daffodils. Galadias. So now we're back in the front of the house where I am growing some cabbage up here. Down below is still some collard greens. Got my little flowers here, my little flower pots. Okay, oh, some strawberries. So I don't have a backyard, and I wanted to do some gardening, so this is my little garden. Raised beds and pots.